Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can create a post on Business Suite. So let's get started. First, you open Business Suite app in your device. Then tap on Create Post. Next, tap on Photo or Video. Then select photo or video of your choice which you want to post. Next, tap on Done. You can also write something if you want. After that, tap on Next. Then select Publish Now if you haven't. Next, tap on Publish. You need to wait for a while. So this is how you can publish a post on Business Suite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.